ERP software doesn't typically fill 100% of your functionality needs out of the box. There are many processes in your business that are unique to you and differentiate you from your competitors. Whether your apps are standalone, integrated with your existing ERP, or part of Nextworld's ERP, Nextworld lets you build and extend applications to fit your unique business needs. Meet Nextbot, our no-code development platform. Nextbot ensures that your custom apps are secure, compliant, and integrated. Customize the applications that we deliver to you or build all new apps from the ground up. Personalize everything from layout to workflow. With no coding. When you get it looking and working exactly how you want it, you're done. The engine generates your code. You deploy your app with one click. All those time-consuming manual workarounds are eliminated, and it's automatically an extension of Nextworld's ERP. Same user experience, workflow engine, security model, auditability, and single source of truth.